Measuring driveway width, it's 12 feet clear. Checking the slope, 2.5 degrees. Good. Mounting points and power look good. Capturing photo now.
Option 1. Modern horizontal slats gate. Low maintenance, vandal resistant. A hybrid of steel and treated wood. Option 3. The gate frame uses 2x2 or 3x3 galvanized steel tubing. Infill is powder-coated A500 slats. Stage 3. Automation hardware selection. Choose the drive type. Select the motor, control board, safety features, and smartphone integration. Stage 4. Structural and electrical engineering. First, the single element gateway covers the main feed, breakers, conduits, and controls. Stage 5. Bill of materials and procurement. Produce a complete bill of materials including all components, spares, and installation consumables. Excavate the footing trench to plant specifications. Pour the concrete footer, then install and align the anchor bolts within 3 millimeters. Cure for 7 days.
Welding the reinforcements for strength. Attaching the infill panels now. Mounting on the anchors. Checking the swing. Mount the motor securely, torquing to spec. Connect to the control box, labeled circuit. Tie and label the wires, then document.
Set open-close speeds, soft start, add credentials, codes, and safety protocols. Enable OTA updates and integrate home automation. Obstruction test, gate reverses on contact. Power loss test, battery backup engaged. Handing over manuals and app code. Here's the manual, schedule, parts list, and contacts.
Great, thanks. The emergency number?
Right here.
Now for operation, press start.
And manual release. Stage 12, maintenance plan 14. This plan includes a monthly visual lubrication, annual electrical checks, and periodic powder coating.